This is the unboxing of the Blue Yeti microphone, and yes, it is blue. No, blue is the name of the company. It just happens to be in midnight blue. You know why it's in midnight blue? Because it was $30 cheaper than the black one. Don't ask me why. Best Buy, 99 bucks. Usually these things are 130 bucks. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? Alright. Let me try to open this box without destroying it, just in case I have to take it back. Oh, it's torn a little bit. Maybe this was already opened once. Not by me, though. So, it says, Ultimate Professional USB Microphone. Don't be confused, though, because this is not the Yeti Pro. Okay? Yeti Pro is something else. It costs another $100, $150 entirely. So, let's see what we got here. Well, on the box, of course, it says 4 settings, infinite possibilities. Here's the 4 settings. You can put it in stereo, cardioid, which means it's pointed straight at your heart, basically. Omnidirectional and bidirectional. This is what you do when you're doing voiceovers. This is what you do when you're doing 2-person interview. This is what you're doing when you're like putting it out in the middle of something and you're trying to record a bunch of ambient noise. And I don't know what I'm doing with this. I guess I'm using this for musical instruments, an assembled choir, or vocals. Nice. So, I need a little scissors or something here. Guess I wasn't prepared. Put the box over there. Alright, comes with a USB power cable, looks like. Set of instructions in French and English. Okay, probably just gives you a website to go to. It does tell you how to install on different versions of Windows. A lot of styrofoam and what's going on here? Oh wow, form-fitting styrofoam. Okay. Do not eat. All right, and there's that beautiful midnight blue. Look at that thing. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Little adjustments here so you can tighten this up and there, whoa! There you go. I guess. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Anyway, there's your Blue Yeti microphone. So let's see what's on this Blue Yeti microphone. Looks like on the this looks like this is the back of the microphone. On the back of the microphone, you have an adjustment for gain. That's like an input level. Here's your different patterns: your stereo, your omnidirectional, your bidirectional, and your cardioid. You can adjust those. I'm pretty sure you can adjust these on the fly if I remember correctly. Now on the front, just in case you forgot what color it is or what company makes this, it's the Blue Company. Here you have a button so that you can mute the microphone, and here you have a volume adjustment. What's the difference between volume and gain? That's a subject for another video. But actually in the short of it is that gain is the input and volume is the output, simply put. So that's what you get. You get a microphone with a stand, you get the power cord, and you get instruction booklet. And that's the unboxing of the microphone. Microphone's pretty heavy, you know. It feels like a good pound or maybe pound and a half. So it's you know, it's substantial. Obviously this has to be tightened so that it doesn't fly all over the place. There, that's better. It really did need to be tightened down. There, that's much better. So you can point it towards you, and I think actually you could probably hang this too. Like if you were doing like a studio kind of thing, you could put this overhead, do a boom mic kind of situation. So I'm sure there's adjustments for all that sort of thing. Well, that's my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Normally $130. For whatever reason, the blue one at Best Buy was $99. So thanks to my girlfriend for telling me to buy it at Best Buy and not Target. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If you did, like it, share it, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later when I'll be comparing this with the Snowball.